Today we're back with another video and we are unboxing the Canon RF 100-500. I've just picked up this lens, an ultra telephoto lens, if you think that's what it's called, and I can't wait to check it out. So let's hop straight into the unboxing. All right, hopping into the unboxing here, as you guys can see, like every other Canon RF box, we do have the lens on the front with a bit of information about it. So as we open the box up, we are presented with some foam at the top and the lens inside this carry case or pouch that does come with that no one ends up using. This is what we're after. The lens itself in this little carry case, like I did say, it's got two zips on the side here that you can unzip and a bit of a Velcro pouch as well. So let's take that off. And it does have a carry strap inside as well. All right, and it is wrapped up as every other Canon lens always is. As you guys can see, the lens itself, and we do have the lens hood as well, all wrapped up. This is what we're presented with here. We do have the RF 100-500, as you guys can see here. Beautiful, beautiful lens. It's metal and a plastic design, which is good. This lens collar is metal, and I think the rest of it, like that's metal there, this is plastic, so it's a bit of both. Now the lens straight at the front here is plastic as well. To attach the lens hood, you just kind of line this up and it just kind of locks in. Very, very easy to attach. And as you guys can see, like some of the other RF telephoto lenses, the slide door here to access some filters at the front if you need to. We do have a bunch of switches on the side here. AF to MF, full to 3 meters to infinity, which changes the focusing distances, stabilizer, and 3 stabilizing modes as well. One of the first things I like to do when I get a new lens like this is, of course, screw in a UV filter on top to make sure it is protected. So this UV filter will stop any scratches happening to the actual lens or front of the lens itself, and actually the UV filter will take all of the impact, which is exactly what we want, so that can be replaced. Now I have done a video on the UV filters, if they actually make a difference between image quality with and without one, and check that out on my channel, and I'm not going to give you guys the answer, so check out the video if you guys want to see the results. Just going around the lens, we do have the control ring here, like every other Canon RF lens does have, to be able to adjust certain features on the camera, such as ISO or shutter speed, something I don't really use. We do have the focus wheel right here and the zoom wheel here. Now the throw on this camera is quite long, so to get to 500mm, you actually have to twist this quite a far bit round, if that makes sense. And with a lot of other cameras, like my 70-200, it is quite a short throw, so this is a lot longer than that. I also will be testing out this lens in the field, so I will give you guys a bit more of an extensive look into the lens. So this is just a few bits and pieces about it. It also does have a smooth to tight ring on here. It actually allows you to tighten the zoom ring. So right now I have it on pretty tight, so it is a lot harder to actually zoom out the lens. And once you do change it to smooth, it pretty much means loose, so it's a lot easier to zoom out the lens. Now, this is good if you don't want the lens to creep. So if you have it on tight now, I can shake this, it doesn't creep at all. As soon as you change it to smooth and you do that, the lens starts creeping. So if you guys want to minimize creep, you can put it to a tighter setting on the lens. That is pretty much everything on this lens that you guys need to know firsthand once you pick it up. That was the unboxing of the Canon RF 100-500. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to smack the thumbs up button, and thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned because I will have a real world test with this lens, and I want to show you guys what it's capable of and the images it can get. I'm also going to put it against my 70-200 2.8 EF version. Obviously this is a 200 maximum focal length and this is 500, so a big difference, but I want to see the difference at 200mm and see if the 2.8 is clearer, which I doubt because it is an EF version. But that's the thing I want to put to the test and show you guys which one is better, and just show you guys the difference between RF lenses and EF lenses. So if you have enjoyed, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys next week for another video.